po, good day. Balita na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Switch Lite. 128GB po natin. SD card, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. So for your order, naka-dual boot na rin po ito. It has our jailbreak mode and yung ating legit mode naman. Currently, ina-access first natin yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya every time that you turn on normally yung inyong Switch. Ang una niya pong i-access ay ang jailbreak mode. Now this order is going to Caloocan City, Metro Manila. So, pakita ko lang first yung charging ng ating Switch. So, currently, battery percentage is at 98%. So, side A charging. And side B charging. So, let's leave it charging for now. These are the games then that we were able to install yung mga requested games po ninyo. Ayan. And then if you're going to check your album folder, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. And for our buttons, let's first start with our analog. So our left analog, ayan. Ay, tap down, no drifting or ghosting. And for our right analog naman, same thing, no ghosting or drifting. Now for our buttons, ZR, ZL, LR, then our ABXY buttons, directional buttons natin, our analog buttons, plus minus, screenshot, and then our touch key, and home button. So all good with our buttons. Turn off lang natin yung ating Switch. And let's access naman our second boot, which is yung ating legit mode. Now before we turn on our unit po, we just need to wait na mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure rin na yung modchip natin sa lobby is totally naka-turned off muna siya. Let's try turning on. Once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button para lumabas tayo sa ating Hecate menu option. And at this time, we can choose our legit mode, Sysnand. So sa legit mode po natin, dito po tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, our multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Now, dahil nasa legit mode po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check rin your album folder, expect na hindi po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, kung meron po kayo nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. So, okay na rin po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na lang namin ito. And I'll be sending also separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you and happy gaming!